Wagwan, what's good? Welcome back to the Morris Time family. I'm out here in the freezing cold, right? As you know, our car is in the garage. It's been fixed, right? It's ready. But I want to get my son's reaction, 7 years old. I want to get his reaction if we tell him that, listen, we no longer own a car. Everywhere that we go, we're going to have to walk as of now. And to see his reaction, I'm going to take him on a 30-minute walk here in the cold to see what he says, if he's a complaining child or if he's grateful. I know he's grateful, but I want to see if he passes this test. Ever since Jahmier was born, we always have a car. So he's not used to not having a car. Even during the morning times when I'm trying to take him outside to go to the bus stop, he walks to the way where we normally go to get the car. So he's almost off the bus now. I want to get his reaction of telling him, listen, we no longer own a car and we're going to walk everywhere as of now to go where we want to go, and to get his reaction. So stay tuned for that one. School bus and school boy. Yeah, Jahmier school bus is here. Hello. How are you? Cold. Man. This is school boy. I look so angry. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, have a good night. Drive safe. Give me a bag. You alright? So, there's something I have to tell you. You see how we've been walking, to school every day to get the bus, and walking from the bus stop to go home? No taxi. Guess what? We no longer have a car. The car is broken. So if we're going to Walmart, if we're going to Nana and JP, we're going to have to walk as of today. We're going to have to walk. Huh? What? We're not going to have any more car right now. Car's broken, so we're not going to get it. So we don't have a car.
Why did they say your car has
It's broken. So right now, your mom is waiting on us. We're going to walk and pick up her and Ajari. So we're going to walk for like 30 minutes. Are you good with that? That's what we're going to walk like every day. You good with that? Huh? Pardon? Pardon?
We're not walking, we're running.
Come, let's go.
We have to walk all the way there.
Yep, we have to get practice from now, because every day we're going to be walking as of now. How do you feel?
Not good.
I mean not good. But all your life you had a car to drive in, so now that you don't have a car, you don't feel good. Why?
Because they can't drive. It's going to take a really long time.
Huh?
Because they can't drive anymore, so it's going to take a long time.
Lift up your head, lift up your head.
Can we run, Daddy, so it's faster a little?
Yeah, you're tired, bro.
I just want to run, please. Like, I'm tired, but I want to run.
Alright, let's go. Come on. Run.
A few moments later.
Can you pick me up, please?
Pardon?
Can you pick me up?
Can I pick you up?
Yes.
No.
Oh, because you're recording.
Not because I'm recording. I'm teaching you I'm letting you learn how to walk in the snow as of now. Because we don't have a car anymore, so we're gonna have to learn how to walk for long distances, right? And I can't lift you up and lift up Ajari and lift up your mom. You know, I broke my back.
Yeah. Why do people treat the world like this when they put garbage all over it?
Some people are like that. They destroy the world. So it's like you now it's like the kids now to do good so that the future is okay. Because a lot of adults damage the world, you know? So, how do you feel knowing that you're going to be walking every day like this? Huh?
I love walking. I never got to walk.
Love walking, you never got to walk? Come, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come, come, come. Get up, get up, get up. Look at these holes. Jeez.
Okay, let's go.
Come, your backside. Get up, get up.
I like walking. I never got to walk though.
So do you think you can do this every single day?
Yep.
Without no car?
Yep.
How do you feel?
So good.
You feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, nice. So that means my son is not stush and he's willing and able to walk if he has to, even though he's used to having a car, you know? What is he doing back there? Yeah, outside it's cool, but he likes it. He's way warmer than me. He has on his mask to cover up his nose. Stop hiding behind me. And he has on his snowsuit, which can withstand up to, his snowsuit can withstand up to negative 30, I believe. My lips are drying out, my nose. Whoa, don't see like you want to break off. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of put away the camera for now. We've been walking for about 15 minutes long, Jahmier? Probably. I have 15 more minutes to go and I'm cold, so I have to put away these gloves and tuck my hands in my jacket. So we don't have a car. Would you buy me a car?
I don't have money.
Say that louder.
I don't have money.
So what if so how are we gonna get a new car?
You know, if I went somewhere,
yeah,
if I like had a job of making cars and bringing it to people, I would just make the cars free.
You'd make the cars free? Why?
Because what if somebody doesn't have money and they just have to walk? So I'll just make all of them free. And I don't have money, so.
Okay. Well, that's a good gesture.
So after, if anybody's poor, they can have that. If it's a car.
Because you know what it feels like to walk in this icy snow, right? And you would want other people to walk outside like this, right? So we've been walking. So would you like your brother to be walking in the snow like this? Huh?
No, but he will.
Why you think he will?
Because when he's an adult, he has to walk sometimes.
Why?
Everybody has to walk sometimes.
Why?
Because what if you lose your car like us and it's broken, your car?
So do you mind walking when the car is broken? Oh. Yeah. Good boy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Look up. Look up, man.
What is that? That's our, what is that?
I don't know.
Our car! We're going to land in the house and just walking.
So you can't open the door like your car. It's not your car. This is not your car, bro. Huh? Man, don't tell me.
I don't know. It looks like your car.
So yeah, the car is here.
You tricked me. I thought the car was actually broken.
It was broken. It's fixed now. Let's see. Woo. Yeah, look at the back. It was broken. It's fixed now. Yeah, that's it. How are you? Good, good.
Is all shiny, clean?
Yeah, that's why I was.
Keep it that way.
I would love to, but not the snow. As soon as we drive off, it's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna look messy.
It's gonna get dirty, and the next time you see it again will be April.
Yeah, man. Nice, nice. Let me grab my. Can come inside, right?
Oh no, come inside.
Okay.
Come on then.
I tricked him and told him that we no longer have a car. We're gonna have to walk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like, no.
So when he saw it, he was very surprised, you know.
No more walking to school.
Yeah, it's nice.
Walk to school like I did every day.
Yeah, that's what we have to do for the past since we brought the car here.
Yeah. Hey, you walk to school. I walk to school every day.
Yeah.
Back when I was a kid, right?
No bus, eh?
Grade school is a bus.
Oh, yeah, it's looking nice and minty. Nice, thank you, thank you. Parked in my parking lot, car just rolled down the hill, boom, $500 later, you know?
You know what? I've heard that happen before to people. Usually it's it'll roll, maybe the door, they leave the door open and the door gets caught on a tree or something.
Yeah.
I've seen that before too.
Man, I was just
You're not the first person to have to do, it's not going to be the last.
Man. Go on in.
We had two last year. It's been a week since we had.
Say that again?
I think we had a walk since for a week.
It's been a week since we've been walking, bro. Like, it's crazy. And we're glad that this car is back. Like, trust me, you don't know how much your car is good to you until you don't have a car. In Jahmier, we've been walking and they did a great job too, because honestly, I brought the car here dirty and the car is super clean right now. Everything came up to over $4,000, but because we have our insurance, we just did the deductible, which is $500. So I just had to pay $500 for 5 minutes of negligence.
Where is it, Mom?
You know?
Oh, there.
So it's just one of those. It's one of those things you have to pay that much for a little negligence. But we're gonna head out right now. I feel good, man. Roger, big up yourself, youth. Thank you very much for lending me a car so that I could get around and get some business done. I really appreciate it, my boy. Big up yourself. You see it? Car is here, man. I can just jump out, and in the mornings we're the worst. We're cold and everything. You Jahmier? No more walking in the morning time, freezing cold, eh?
Yeah, but it was.
Alright, so we'll catch him back in a bit.
Luckily, someone stepped up.
You know, so when you're choosing food, look at this. What's that? That's what you don't like, right? So look for the clean ones that doesn't have any bruises.
Okay, this is all.
Yep. So search until you find one that don't have any bruise on there. Use your two hands, man. You're gonna have a little bit of bruise, but not that much. How does that one look? Looks good? Look at the next one. Look at the next one beside it. Yep. How does that one look? Alright, good. That's the one I choose too. Good job. Alright, so let's go now. Let's go. Look where you're going. Banana, oats, water, cheddar, mushy. So grab one of these. Get some water. Stop. Grab 2 instant noodles. 2 of each. Careful, careful. Go on. Push forward. Go, push. So push forward. How are you, man? What kind of snack do you want? Pick one. Yep.
Let's just get extra one ready.
Get some peanuts. Yeah. Come down.
That's $85.89.
Okay, not bad. Push, look where I go, you know thing go. Alright, so I'm out here gonna get a re-up on my supplement. You know the thing go. I always have to re-up on your subs, you know. So the inside Dreamland. I just went inside the store and look at this. Covered. Yeah, big up Popeyes, you know. That's where I get my supplements. Yeah, so I had to get an extra bottle of my protein powder, because I don't know if you're following along, but during Vlogmas in December, I only could find a small bottle in that flavor, and that flavor is the best. Works well with my stomach and everything. So I had to grab it, especially in the fact that they have a sale on it. So that is good. That will supply me for the next 2.5 months. I'm good for 2.5 months on supplements. So you spend a lot right now, but you save a lot in the longer run. And it's something that I drink every day. So that is next up now. I'm going to try and find an outfit. Yeah, a few outfits for the gym. You get me? So is it just me? Or most of these stores just always have female stuff? Jesus. Just got back from the mall and it's snowing like crazy out here. I'm gonna show you. You see the car? I'm cleaning it off right now. Alright? And I'm gonna show you how bad it is in the morning. Just give it a nice clean from now. Just went inside the mall now. Just reached home. And there's so much snow on here, so let us see what it will look like in the morning, right? It's like drying off yourself in a river, but I'm just showing you. See this now? Clean. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the morning. I have a big bag right here with supplements, you know?
For mommy?
Nope. So because the lady said, because I spent so much money with her, she gave me a free water jug, which I needed, you know. So that's a good thing. And I have 2 up here.
Did you go to?
This is empty. Hold on, Alisa. This is empty. This has oatmeal in it. So now replace them, right? Boom. Got to stack up on the protein. I'll take down this.
Gotta stay thick.
Not this still, so this can go in the cupboard. What is that? Not knowing that. Oh. And oh, see, I listen a long time to see her for the vlog, right?
He kicked me out the vlogs. He said I'm too boring.
No.
I'm just joking.
Ooh. I'm that fridge. I'm going to go up on the fridge.
So he got like dairy bars. Darrow bars.
No,
why are you buying Darrow bars?
No. You know about it?
No.
So she say it's more natural.
So it's like what?
To stay on the fridge. Protein bar. Protein bar. May I try to get huge, you know, more.
Now we have camp.
Not we. Not we. Me. You
So,
understand?
you know what? What we're gonna do is, I think I already created it, but we're gonna have a Morse Time Family Amazon affiliate account. So you guys, whatever we have here or whatever we can find on Amazon that we constantly use, the kids' toys, things that I use, things that Adrian uses, things that he buys. I'm gonna link it below so you guys can look at our storefront.
You lick up yourself?
My penis got licked.
Oh, your penis get licked. I stick up on your bunk up in there already.
Because like,
anyways,
it's like they went off the bed.
You jump on your bed with it when it's hard. You have to watch it.
You will break it. Just be careful.
Go on. I'll go watch it and
feel up yourself. Yeah, so as I was saying, we're gonna make I'm gonna make a affiliates account, an Amazon affiliates account, influencer account, that's what it's called. And where you guys can see all the stuff that we purchase, and you guys can purchase it too if you like it. So you guys should check out our storefront. Click the link below in the description box.
You make it 30, I said for check it out?
Yeah.
You make it 30?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I don't want to use for more time.
No.
It's a home-based one. Stuff that we use in our house, like the blender we use for my protein smoothies. It's and you can make soups, you can cook in there, you can make ice cream in the blender, a whole bunch of things.
Yeah, so you can, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can
pull up my bag like that.
You're gonna keep it like that?
Yeah, keep it in that box.
Keep it in the box.
It has to stay in that fridge. Just neat it up.
Fridge or freezer? Fridge.
The lady said it has to stay on the fridge. So yeah, and I got some, as I said in the last video, my outfit for the gym was too tight because I outgrow everything so quickly because I'm growing rapidly. So I had to buy a few pants because I do not want to be in the gym having leggings. You understand? Me and young boy right here, he took over the couch. Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick rundown. Hopefully I don't wake up a Jahmier of what I got because I couldn't record and the mall was almost closing. So I had to just rush and get these things. But as I said, I got some stuff for the gym and a few things to wear like when I'm just running out on the road. Nothing fancy, so nothing too fancy, you know. Got some regular socks. Winter time wear a lot of these things. That's some regular socks. Got them for what, like $5 because it's 50% off. And how many socks are here? How many pair? 6-pack. If you watch many of these vlogs, you realize I'm always in a black t-shirt. I like to wear them around the house as well as if I'm making my cooking videos, right? So I got a few of those. So got myself a sweater. Something to, as I said, it's winter time to keep me warm. How much is this sweater? $29, but I paid like $15 for it. So that's a good buy. Good buy. And I got a few tracks to go with them. This is to go with it. Medium. This is what? $29 again. Everything is for $15. And then these now for the gym. A light gray. So these are more so of a thinner material. How much is this? These ones now are $10 extra. So these are $39. So $20 each after the 50% off. You know me, I love my green. So I got a green one and a black one. I think I'm gonna be wearing this more. Probably, if anything, and I like the black one more, I bring back the other two color and just take all black. Yeah. And what else? Oh, got a few t-shirts, as I said. $5 one for them. They're nice. So $6, yeah, $6 for one. Got 50% off the t-shirt. These are $12, but 50% off, so I got them for $6. And it's just regular t-shirt, black t-shirt. I like to wear them in my cooking videos, and I like to wear them in the house. Sometimes I wear them to the gym too. So yeah. Yeah, these are for like cooking and in the house purpose. I like my black t-shirt, you know. White t-shirt is for the vacation vibe when you have on a white t-shirt. Black t-shirt is when you want to get cozy and kick back in the house. And 1 and 2 times you're going out to put on a black tee. But yeah, got 3 of them. And grand total is, what's the grand total? Grand total is $169.40. That is it for now. We go.